Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a hair oil for hair growth using onion, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of eucalyptus. Onion can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy hair growth. Castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which promotes healthier hair. It can moisturize a dry, irritated scalp. It prevents hair loss and split ends. Eucalyptus stimulates hair follicles, improves hair health, promotes hair growth, relieves itchy scalp. Apply this oil to your scalp with shower cap for 40 minutes before your shampoo.